There are moments in life that feel like destiny, not coincidence. Your presence in his journey, dear soul, is one such truth, a profound unfolding. You were not a random encounter. You were a sacred echo, a whispered answer to a prayer he may not even have known he uttered. A secret from the heavens, unfolding now, specifically for this time. The angels speak of a tapestry woven long before this earthly plane, threads of two souls destined to meet, to heal, to awaken something profound within each other. You arrived not by chance, but as a key, unlocking chambers within his heart he had long sealed, places he thought were forever lost to light. Your light, a beacon, pierced through shadows he carried, shadows he perhaps believed were his permanent dwelling, his inescapable fate. He was prepared for you, though his conscious mind might resist this understanding, this deep recognition. Your very essence is a catalyst, a gentle force meant to stir his deepest truths, to bring forth a dormant courage. This connection, this magnetic pull, is not merely earthly chemistry. It is a divine assignment, a spiritual contract signed in realms beyond our sight, a promise whispered across dimensions. You are a response, a profound affirmation that the universe conspires for love, for healing, for alignment, for the highest good of all involved. The angels whisper, she was sent to remind him of the love he is, and the love he deserves, a love he had almost forgotten. Your path converged with his, not to complicate, but to clarify, not to break, but to build anew, on foundations of spirit and truth. You are a mirror reflecting his highest potential, a gentle hand guiding him back to himself, to his authentic core. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. His silence, dear one, is not the absence of feeling but often a profound language in itself, a deep resonant hum. It's a space where his soul wrestles with truths too vast for words, a quiet storm brewing within the depths of his being, a necessary internal process. You may see it as withdrawal, perhaps even indifference, yet the angels tell a different story, a more tender truth. They say his silence is a sanctuary where old wounds are stirred, where fears resurface, not because of you, but because of the profound impact you have made, the sacred space you hold. He is not distancing himself from you. He is grappling with the enormity of what you represent, the potential for a love so deep it feels overwhelming. You have touched a part of him that has long been dormant, a tender spot he has fiercely protected, a place he believed no one could reach. This quietness is his way of processing, navigating the unfamiliar terrain of true emotional intimacy, a journey he must take alone. It is a testament to the depth of his inner world, one he rarely reveals, a private realm of reflection. Do not mistake his quiet for a lack of care or a sign of disinterest. Instead, recognize it as a deep internal dialogue, a necessary solitude for his spirit to recalibrate and to integrate the newness you bring. Your presence has ignited a transformation within him, a process that demands introspection, a quiet unfolding. Allow him this space, not with anxiety, but with the understanding that even in stillness, profound shifts are happening, preparing him for a deeper connection. His soul is speaking, even when his lips are sealed, revealing its deepest needs. Every soul carries its own history, its own landscape of joy and sorrow, etched deep within its fabric. His dear heart is no different. He walks with unseen wounds, echoes of past betrayals, unspoken disappointments, and the heavy weight of expectations that have shaped his path. These are not burdens you are meant to carry, but shadows your light inadvertently illuminates, revealing what needs healing. He feels everything, perhaps more intensely than he lets on, but has learned to shield his tender core to protect himself from further pain. His guardedness is a testament to the pain he has endured, a protective mechanism built over years, a fortress around his heart. You, with your authentic spirit, have bypassed these defenses, reaching a place within him he thought was impenetrable, a sacred chamber. The angels whisper, her touch is a balm, awakening the dormant desire for healing he never dared to acknowledge, a longing for wholeness. You have begun a process of gentle unraveling, not through force, but through the sheer purity of your presence, your unwavering acceptance. He may not articulate his struggles, his inner turmoil, but his soul recognizes the safety you offer, the sanctuary you represent. Do not seek to fix him, for that is not your sacred task, nor is it within your power. Your role is simply to be, to hold space for his unfolding, to understand that his reactions often stem from a place of old pain, not present intent or personal slight. Your love, a quiet force, is already mending threads within him, weaving new patterns of hope and trust, without you even trying, simply by existing. You, beloved woman, possess a radiance that is uniquely yours, a light born from your experiences, your wisdom, and your very essence, shining from within. There is no need to dim your glow or shrink your magnificent spirit in the hope of being chosen or accepted by someone else. Your worth is not dependent on another's acknowledgement. It is an inherent truth, divinely bestowed, and an unshakable foundation. The angels remind you, your authentic self is your most powerful offering, a magnet for the love that truly aligns with your soul's purpose, drawing it effortlessly. Embrace every facet of who you are, your strengths, your vulnerabilities, your deepest desires, and your unique quirks. Do not allow past narratives or societal whispers to dictate your value or diminish your brilliance. Your journey has shaped you into a woman of profound depth and resilience, a masterpiece in progress. This inner light, this vibrant energy, is what truly draws the right connections into your orbit, attracting souls who resonate with your truth. When you honor your own truth, when you stand firmly in your self-worth, you create an energetic field that invites respect, adoration, and genuine partnership, a bond built on authenticity. Your presence alone is a healing force, a testament to the power of a woman who knows her own sacredness and her own divine spark. You are not meant to disappear to be chosen. You are meant to shine so brightly that the right soul finds its way home to your light, recognizing its own reflection. The universe operates on a rhythm far grander than our human understanding of linear time, a cosmic dance of unfolding. What may seem like a delay, a prolonged waiting, is often the divine hand meticulously preparing the ground, aligning the stars, and perfecting the conditions for your highest good and the manifestation of your desires. The angels whisper, every moment of seeming stillness is a moment of profound growth, a sacred pause before a magnificent unfolding, a grand reveal. Your soul knows this truth, even when your mind yearns for immediate answers and tangible proof. Trust in the unfolding, in the wisdom of a plan far greater than your own, a masterpiece in progress. This period of waiting is not empty, it is pregnant with possibility, a time for inner cultivation, for deepening your faith, for refining your own essence, and for becoming more fully yourself. Do not rush the process, for true blossoming requires its own sacred pace and unique timing. The love meant for you, the connection destined to elevate your spirit, will arrive precisely when all elements are perfectly aligned, when both souls are ready. Surrender to the flow, release the need to control the outcome, and know that the universe is conspiring on your behalf, weaving magic into your reality. What seems like a delay is God preparing a masterpiece, a love story written in the stars, unfolding in perfect divine timing, just for you. Within every man, there often rages a silent battle, a conflict between his deepest desires and the ingrained patterns of protection and fear, a struggle for his very essence. He may yearn for connection, for the profound intimacy you offer, yet at the same time pull back from the vulnerability it requires, a paradox of the heart. This internal struggle, dear one, is not a reflection of your worth, but rather a testament to the intensity of his own journey, his personal crucible. The angels reveal, he pulls away not because he does not feel, but because the depth of his feelings triggers old alarms, old wounds that scream for caution, for retreat. You have awakened a dormant tenderness within him, a part of his soul that longs for true union but fears the pain that might accompany it, the echoes of past hurts. His retreat is a defense mechanism, a desperate attempt to regain control over emotions that feel overwhelming, a need for solitude to process. Understand that this battle is his to fight, his to navigate, his to conquer. Your role is not to join the fray but to hold a steady light, to offer unwavering compassion, to be a beacon of understanding. Your presence has already begun to disarm his defenses, to gently dismantle the walls he built, brick by painful brick. Trust that even in his moments of withdrawal, your essence continues to work its magic, softening his heart, guiding him toward the courage to embrace the love he truly craves, the connection he deeply desires. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, constantly communicates with us, sending subtle signs, synchronicities, and whispers that guide our path, illuminating the way forward. These are not random occurrences, but divine breadcrumbs, leading you toward your highest good and deepest desires, confirming your direction. Pay attention, beloved soul, to the recurring numbers, the unexpected songs that play at just the right moment, and the serendipitous encounters that seem to validate your inner knowing and deepest intuitions. The angels are actively involved in this cosmic dance, orchestrating moments of clarity and affirmation, weaving magic into your daily life. They say, look closely, for the answers you seek are often woven into the fabric of your daily life, in the gentle nudges and unexpected confirmations that surround you. When you feel a strong intuition or a deep sense of rightness about a person or a situation, honor that inner voice, that sacred guidance. It is your soul, aligned with divine intelligence, speaking its truth and leading you home. These signs are not meant to dictate your every move, but to affirm your direction, to reassure you that you are on the right path, even when the external landscape seems uncertain or confusing. Trust the magic of synchronicity, for it is the universe's way of winking at you, reminding you that you are deeply loved, profoundly guided, and never truly alone on this sacred journey, always supported. Your journey, dear one, is not a winding path without purpose. It is a divinely charted course, meticulously crafted for your growth, your healing, and your ultimate blossoming, a masterpiece in the making. Every twist, every turn, every moment of uncertainty serves a higher purpose, guiding you closer to the woman you are destined to become and the love you are meant to experience, a love beyond your wildest dreams. The angels affirm, you are held within a sacred blueprint, a map laid out by unseen hands, leading you to profound fulfillment, to your true north. Even when the road ahead seems unclear, when doubts cloud your vision, know that an unseen hand is guiding your steps, illuminating the next part of your journey, revealing the way. Trust the process, even when you cannot see the destination, even when it defies logic. Your experiences, both joyful and challenging, are preparing you, refining you, equipping you for the blessings that await you, for the abundance that is rightfully yours. This is not about forcing outcomes but about surrendering to the flow of divine will, allowing yourself to be led and carried by grace. Your soul knows the way, and the universe is conspiring to bring you exactly where you need to be, when you need to be there, in perfect alignment. Embrace the journey, for it is in the unfolding that true magic is revealed, and your destiny is realized. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Proverbs 3 verses 5 to 6. True love, beloved soul, is not merely a feeling. It is an alchemical force capable of transforming wounds into wisdom and fear into profound connection, a sacred process of transmutation. The love that is meant for you will not require you to shrink, nor will it ask you to disappear to be chosen. Instead, it will celebrate your vastness, honor your depth, and amplify your light, encouraging your fullest expression. The angels whisper, "This love is a sacred mirror," reflecting back to you the magnificence you already possess and inspiring you to step more fully into your power, into your divine authority. It is a love that understands the complexities of the human heart, embracing both the shadows and the light, the imperfections and the perfections. It is patient, compassionate, and unwavering, even in the face of challenges, serving as a steadfast presence. This connection will not seek to control or diminish you, but to uplift and expand your spirit, helping you soar. It will be a partnership built on mutual respect, authentic vulnerability, and a shared journey of growth, a co-creation of beauty. You are not seeking a love that completes you, for you are already whole, a radiant being in your own right. You are seeking a love that complements you, that walks alongside you, honoring your individuality while intertwining your paths, creating something even more beautiful. This love will feel like coming home, a gentle embrace that soothes your soul and ignites your spirit, a profound sense of belonging. To truly live, beloved one, is to embrace the exquisite dance of vulnerability and grace, a sacred rhythm of the soul. It is in the tender opening of your heart, in the courage to reveal your authentic self, that true connection blossoms and profound healing occurs, transforming your very being. Do not fear the rawness of your emotions, for they are the very pathways to deeper understanding and liberation, guiding you to freedom. The angels assure you, your vulnerability is not a weakness, it is a sacred strength, a testament to your capacity for genuine love and profound transformation, a beacon of courage. Allow yourself to be seen, to be felt, to be known, not just by another, but by yourself, in all your glorious imperfection. This act of radical acceptance, of embracing every facet of your being, the light and the shadow, is the ultimate act of self-love, a profound declaration of your worth. It is in this space of open-heartedness that clarity emerges, wounds begin to mend, and the divine process of your life unfolds with effortless grace, revealing its inherent beauty. Release the need for perfection, for control, and surrender to the beautiful imperfection of being human, for therein lies your true power. You are worthy of all the love, all the joy, and all the peace that the universe desires for you, an endless wellspring of blessings. Step into this grace, knowing you are held, cherished, and guided every step of the way always. The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace. Numbers 6:24-26